very hard to focus on the execution if you don't remember the steps. So when you learn them, obviously you can't. That class you're still trying to remember, but then go over it at home, so at least the sequence is in your body, then you can focus on, okay, down, up, taking care of your hands. Right now if you're still thinking, then it's very hard, right? Because you're like thinking about what's coming next. The last thing on your mind is to like straighten your thumb.
It's too fast to think.
Do you have it on YouTube?
Kanti uncle, you normally do
God is
sometimes.
sending.
Kanti uncle normally records it.
Yeah.
Maybe you're
Yeah,
not
you
on
always
the email
think
thing.
you are on YouTube. Give it to Pushpa. She will give you address. Pushpa will send it.
So somebody like me watch it and then.
Yeah, because I think Kanti uncle always sends it after every class.
I think her name is not on the.
Your name, just give him your email. Or
Yeah.
give Pushpa your email so then she can mail it out to you.
They don't have my email. Okay, I'll ask.
Okay. Patale Saiya coming to work, Patale Saiya missed call mistake. So it's very lyrical in that sense. Oh no, you come back to your position. From there, I want to add on a little bit. So that, Kanti, did we add on last week? So from here, we're going to go back. So what step I was just teaching the boys, it's the same idea. Step, right, step, right, step. So think about doing a stomp. Everybody knows how to do a stomp. So just face forward and let's do a few stomps. So you're going right, left, right, left. Once more, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So everybody is comfortable with the stomp, right?
Yeah.
Now the thing is you're going to make your stomp travel. So you add a slight drag. So you're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Don't think too much about the drag. Think more about moving. Just think you have to go slightly to the right, slightly to the left. So we're going right and right, left and left, right and right, left and left. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now, you don't pick up your back leg. So what's happening is you pick up this leg, then it slows you down too much. That leg doesn't come out. Okay. When I go left, then the right leg doesn't come out. Okay, once more. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left, and right, left, right, left. Yeah. So practice that. You're doing that step and moving diagonally back. So going 1 and I don't want you to travel too much. So you're going. Maybe I just make it simpler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 3 times. Again 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it very small. The song is really fast. You don't want to try and make it very big. Hands are just here. You're making a photo with your hand. So thumbs are here. Yeah, everybody. So it's a photo. So your fingers are together, but your thumbs are out and your elbows up. Yeah. So, but when your elbows come up, you have to kind of not let your hands become a diamond. You still want to keep them here. Yeah. So, and then you're going to just open from here. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it looks like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right now, people who have partners are going to go. The girls clap up and the boys clap. So if you're going to hit my hand like this, and then reverse that, or you put your hand. Okay, so do that again. So you're going to hit. People who don't have partners right now, you guys are going to go hit like a clap. Yeah, see? So, did you guys get it?
Yeah.
So, Shubhanti, you hit me first, right? So boys are going down. And then they switch up. Okay. And make it like big. Like, I mean, what I mean is it's stage, right? So you don't want it to be small. You really want it like more big. No, you don't lift it up. Okay. So, hit. Now I'm going to hit. Yeah, so that distance, I'm going to each other like this. Okay? Try the clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and clap. You can, why don't you do it more? So 5, 6, 7, 8.
अभी
Clap
चांस
and
मिला है,
clap.
मार दो।
Yeah.
चांस मिल गया है।
Okay. Let's try it from here now. So we're going, guys. So we're going side, clap. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. This is on the 7. Let's do it super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and clap. Yeah. This is, so it goes, guys, please don't talk, it's like there's just too much noise all of a sudden. So with counts it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. But lyrically it goes mere photo ko seene se yaar chipkale saiyan. This is the chipkale saiyan. Okay, once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and clap. Good. Once more. So if you have to stay a little bit closer to your partners, otherwise it's like you're trying to like find their hands, right? So, yeah.
Men's and down first or
No, girls are hitting first. Everybody moves together. Everybody goes right, left, right. Yeah, everybody goes together. Once more, guys, please don't talk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and right, left and left, right and clap. Yeah. Once more. Try to move together.
Then you will know how much you're meaning.
Yeah. And everybody should know that plan fits the partner. No. That's what I said, everybody is moving together.
Yes, right, then you are on this side. Then we have
Come
to
down. 1 second. Do it fast. Guys, this is what it's supposed to be like. 6, 7, 8. So you're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Yes, come back. There. The girls have to turn around.
You can't turn around, you have to face the boys.
that's what I'm saying.
But that's the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to face each other. Okay? Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yeah, and if you don't have a partner, the girls will be going 7 and 8. From there, last step. You're going to step. So you're here.
We end it here.
Yeah, we just connect it up in a second. Let me finish this bar. So we finish this. So some girls and boys are facing each other, and some girls are here. Kale Saiya. From there we do Fevicol say. So you're going to step. You're basically hitting this position. This hand is flat, and you're going. So hands are going stick. Now the thing is, this hand shouldn't start going anywhere. This hand just stays there. This hand doesn't move. It's this hand going clap. But it's not here from my side. Yeah. Clap. Yeah. So everybody will end up here. So wherever you are, boys are here, everybody goes 6. Now don't do this. It's not this. This hand stays. Huh?
Taking angle or
Yeah. So I'm just, my hand is on my side, but I take my my shoulder slightly to the left diagonal. So I'm not facing this way, I'm slightly here. But my hand is not there and it's not here, it's right on my side. So it's stick, 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 stick. And you're so I'm doing a bounce and a kick. Yeah. Boom, boom, up, up. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5. So it's and is down. So it's and up, and up, and up, and up. Same idea now that music is fast. You don't have time to really go that low. So just go and move and up and up and up as much as you can comfortably. So you're still on the beat. I'd rather you go a little bit smaller and stay on the beat, and then slowly you can make it a little bigger rather than going off beat. And really be aware of this hand. Because this hand is going to want to do all kinds of things, come here, bend, but you really want to keep it smooth. Try it from here slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and clap and stick, 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 stick. Good. That was not bad at all. So it goes मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले से या फेविकॉल से. Yeah. 1, 5, slow. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and clap and stick and stick and stick and stick. This hand is straight. And extend your arm. Let's try it let's try it up to tempo. Fast. 5. Let's just try it. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. One sec. As soon as I said up to tempo, everybody just, your whole body is getting tight because you guys all of us start panicking. Don't panic. Don't think of it as being really fast. Breathe. Because this is what I just saw all of you become like this, like tight. Don't do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and clap and stick, 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 stick. Yeah. That wasn't bad. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and stick and stick and stick and stick. Nice. Let's try it with music. Just this part. Just this part, guys.
मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी तैयार पटाने से मेरे फोटो को सीने से
Bring the action.
हो गया, right? Let's connect it once with counts from कब से. Let's try it a little slow from कब से ready. 5, 6, 7. मैं तो कब से ta na 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 na. मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पटा ले सैया missed call से. Oh no. Again. 5, 6, 7. मैं तो कब से ta na 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 na. मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पटा ले सैया missed call से. Oh no. मेरे को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से. Once more. 5. Once we try, then let's do music. Guys, once more without music and then we try to music. 5, 6, 7. मैं तो कब से drop. मैं तो कब से हूँ ready तैयार पता ले सैया missed call से. Oh no. मेरे को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से.
Closer.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से. मेरे फोटो को सीने
Not bad.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया प्यारी कौन से मेरा चिपका ले सैया प्यारी कौन से प्यारी कौन है मैं तो कब से हाय मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी तैयार पटा ले सैया ऐसे कौन से मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया प्यारी कौन से
Bring the action.
Good. Let's try it.
Please, 1 minute.
Or you can.
She has to show us something for the 17th.
After the last practice.
So time कितना रहेगा?
नहीं मैं 2 मिनट का ये है
Let's run it once.
That's fine.
मैं
So
टिप
time.
सही में टिप नहीं आती ना
पाया है बेचा मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया प्यारी कौन से मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया प्यारी कौन से प्यारी कौन है मैं तो कब से हाय मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी तैयार पटा ले सैया ऐसे कौन से मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सैया प्यारी कौन से
4 4 बारी है.
Bring the action.